I'm a professional drywaller. I thought that electric sanders were just for people who suck at finishing. That's not true. I mean, it really helps anybody. Oh, it's crazy. I mean, there's no dust. I mean, by that point on a normal job like traditional pole sander, I would be white as a ghost, sweating like a pig. I mean, completely covered up, and I was ready for church. I mean, I had no dust on me, no dust on the floor. The walls were clean, everything was clean. It was awesome. Yeah. I thought that when I got this, I was gonna maybe use it on like take down some rough textures or something like that from time to time. After 10 minutes using it, I realized I can use this in people's houses. Like, people are always calling me about a patch, and I'm like, well, we're gonna have to basically destroy your house, cover up every piece of furniture in your living room, dining room, turn off your HVAC system. I mean, it's a whole project just to fix a little patch. Now, all I can do is bring that out. It takes all the dust with me. It's totally dust free. I can just suck up the dust as I go. It's a game changer. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, it's a huge difference when you can see that someone has put a lot of thought into making something and making it a good experience and trying it out. It's a top line product. There's no doubt.